What's up, GNCRC gang? Back once again with the Mofo V4 bouncer. I'm gonna go ahead and get back started on this thing. I'm gonna try to go ahead and finish it up. It's not a lot I gotta do to it. Receiver, ESC, motor. I've chosen to go ahead and just stick the stock one in there for the time being, just to get this thing going. And of course, you guys know we're gonna go with the Lizard Pro stock tranny. That way I don't have to. I can just put this motor in here. I don't have to use a motor plate or anything. We got to get the shafts in also. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this thing. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the lights put in. Really simple. I'm not going to show you guys everything, but just going to do a couple things. That mount, you just pop that in. And now I have the motor attached to the transmission. And now we just got to connect the drive shafts to the transmission and to the axles. Alright guys, I got the drive line connected. I had to go back and put the battery box in. That's what I forgot to do when I did the original install. That was real simple, but I got it in. And got the lights on. Now I got to get the Lizard Pro. And I got to get the SR 315. I went with the 315 because it's a 3-channel versus, well, I normally do a SR 215. But due to me having 2 servos, 4-wheel steering, I needed the 3rd channel. Got all the electronics in. Got the lights working. Both servos working. Got a Mofo battery inside also. We got the Spectrum DX 315. And we have the, I was about to say Mumble guys, but we actually have the Lizard Pro by Furitek. And like I said, I went with the stock motor. So I'll show you some of the modes this thing has. So you have 4-wheel steering. I got those rates kind of turned down. So that's why it's not that much steering as it typically would be. You have the crab walk. Pretty cool. And then you also have just the front steering. Well, no, I'm sorry, I got it on crab walk. You got a rear steering. And the front only. Really easy to set up. Now, one of the issues I'm having with this thing, I don't know if you guys had this issue before. Look at the wheels. But I noticed they are, I don't know if it needs some type of, I'm not sure if it needs a spacer in there or something, because they're moving quite a bit. You guys had this problem before, let me know. And then the other issue I'm having is the steering lining up like it should. I think that is due to the position, but I don't know. I'm gonna work on it. I don't really have that much time to deal with it right now. It's kind of late, and I want to get this thing done because I am planning on taking it out, and we're gonna do some crawling tomorrow. Me and the guys. I had to go ahead and get this thing out of the way. This is not the final stages of it, I don't think, but I had to go ahead and get it out of the way because I got some more stuff that I'm about to work on pretty soon. Until next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.